welcome back to my channel. Today we did this gorgeous green orange look. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the Nature by Nature moisturizer, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. So this is for oily skin, so it's going to go in and help mattify everything. This is the only thing that I have on my face so far. Okay, so I actually decided to go ahead and do my eyebrows, but I want to do them with y'all today. So I'm going to zoom y'all in a little bit, and we're just going to do these brows. Alright, so I'm going to take the Gimmie Brow from Benefit in the shade number 1 and just brush this through my brows. Alright, so I zoomed y'all back out because I didn't like that. But if you do like it zoomed in, go ahead and tell me down below. But I just used that one product in it, so. But I'm going to use the Unique Spoolie Brow Brush. This is the best brush I have ever used for my brows. I love it. And then I'm going to take the Bella Pure Cosmetics Brow Gel in, I don't know the shade, but, so this is what it looks like. And we're just going to give this a run. So I'm going to brush through first, just to kind of move that Gimmie Brow around, and then I'm just going to go right in, and I'm going to start tracing around my brows. Okay, so that product wasn't working as good as I needed it to. Basically, I just have one brow done. So I'm going to go in with the NYX Eyebrow Gel in the shade Blonde. And I already took it and I put it on here. I know this looks gross, but it stains your hands. So I just went ahead and put some right here. I didn't want to put it on the back of my hand and stain my hand. So I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to tap into this right here. And we're just going to trace my brows again. Okay, so we have the brows pretty much where I want them, and I'm going to go in and touch them up a little bit, but I'm going to go in with the Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay in the shade Light Neutral, and the AOA Studio E131 brush from Miss A. This is an AI brush set, a set that I actually won in a giveaway from them. So I'm just going to take the wand like this, and I'm just going to get it onto the brush really good, and we're going to carve out my brows. Okay, so I have my eyebrows carved out how I like them. So I'm just going to take the same concealer and put it on my lids. And this is going to be my eye primer. And I'm going to take this flat brush. It's from Quavage. I don't know how to say it, but it's just a flat brush. I don't know where I got it, but that's just the company. I will have it listed down below. But we're just going to go in and blend this all in. Alright, to prime, I'm going to go in with the Touch Glorious Face Primer from Unique. And we're going to go ahead and prime my face. We're going to do our makeup a little different today. We're going to do foundation first. So we're just going to take this and rub it in really nicely. Okay, for foundation, I'm going to go in with the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the shade Buff. And then I'm going to take the Unique Mineral Touch Liquid Foundation in the shade Velour. And I'm going to put both of them onto this flat Kabuki BH Cosmetics brush. I will have the brush set listed down below because I believe you can only buy these in a brush set. But we're going to put both of those on this brush and then we'll get it all in. Okay, for concealer, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C4. And I'm just going to put this in the places that I want to highlight. And then I'm going to take my big Real Techniques body blender and blend it all in. So I have some Sets translucent blotting powder, and it comes in this little thing, and we're just going to set under my eyes and bake with this. I've never used it, so, but it comes on a little thing like this. This is so weird. And we're just going to use the little pad.
It smells like rubbing alcohol. I don't know if that's good.
I believe I got this from Walmart in like a beauty box, and I'm just now using it for the first time. I'll let y'all know what I think of it. So that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to throw this away, and then we have one more to use if I do like this. So I'm going to go ahead and set the rest of my face now and just let these bake. Okay, so I'm going to take the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. This is in matte translucent, and normally I bake with this, but we're going to set my whole face with it. So I just dusted some in there. And I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics brush and just set my face. Alright, so the face is set. This looks really, really nice and matte. So I'm going to go in with the Mineral Touch Loose Powder Foundation. It's in the shade Chiffon. This is too dark for me. I've used it a few times on here, I believe, maybe once, as bronzer, and I've really been liking it, so that's what we're going to do today. So I'm really just going to tap off the excess, and it just looks like that. Okay, so we have it nice and bronze, so I'm going to go in and do more of a deeper contour. So we're going to use the Tartiest Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to go to this shade right here, which is called Sculpt. You have seen me use it several times. I'm going to use the same brush. Again, this is off of eBay or something. Don't know where I got it. Doesn't have a name. So we are just going to do more of a contour. So I'm going to take some Coty Airspun and cut out the contour. So I went ahead and did this eye. All I did was shadow, and we used the Morphe Boss Mood palette. So I'm going to show y'all on this eye how I did it on this eye. So the first thing that I'm going to go in with is the AOA Studio E127. Again, this is from that brush set that I got from Miss A. And we're going to jump into this orange shade first. I will have all of the shade names listed down below. I'm going to tap off the excess and just blend this in really nicely. So then we're going to go in with this orangey shade right below and put that in the same spot just to deepen up that orange. Okay, so then on my finger, I'm going to take this shade, which is just a really pretty green, and we're going to put that on my lid. We're going to take the Focular mascara and coat my lashes. Okay, we're going to highlight with the Tartiest Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to go in with Stunner, this one right here. Okay, so I changed my mind last minute and decided to actually throw on some lashes. So these are the Ardell lashes in the number 253. I will have them listed below with a link because they are the best. This lash is being a little turd, so I'm going to fix it in just a second. But now all we have to do is my lips. So let's do that. For lips, I'm going to take the NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. And we're just going to pop this onto my lips. So this is the finished look. If you like it, please let me know down below. But this is what she looks like. Super easy, super simple, super fast. I really like it. The lashes always make the perfect finish, even though they're being little skanks and don't want to stay. Alright, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please again tell me down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm so happy that y'all liked this video if you did. And I will see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and leave down below some ideas of some looks that you would love to see. And I definitely will recreate them or redo them. All of my social media will be down below, so you can send it to my Instagram or my Snapchat or even my Facebook. So I hope y'all enjoyed this yet again. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.